I'm filming this video in February, but whenever you're watching it, the theme will hold true. If it's relatively early in the year and you're a business owner, the financial theme is readiness. Let's say you want to consider your options to sell your business. If you want to do it this year, it takes 7 to 9 months, often a full year to sell a business. So getting ready starts earlier than you think. Today, I'm going to give you 3 tips to prepare for an exit. Even if you're not ready to sell right now, trust me, follow these tips and you'll be more prepared. I'm a certified exit planning advisor, and I know how to help business owners with their options for exit. So let's get into it. Tip number 1 is don't wait on your taxes. Start preparing your taxes for last year right now. You know, January's crazy. You're reconciling December. You're gonna get bogged down with stuff later in the year. So take this first month, the second month of the year, and file your taxes. Get them done. I know you have to wait for 1099s and 1098s and all of that stuff, but do as much as you can now. You'll thank me later. When you get into diligence, they're gonna want to see last year's books closed out. No better time to do that than right now. Don't just file an extension. Don't say, we're gonna file an extension, I'll worry about that later. Do it now. The reason it matters a lot is, number 1, you want to learn from what happened last year. Filming this early 2025, you want to know how your 2024 wrapped up. So that's super important. And if you're selling your business with SBA, the lender is going to want to see a 2024 tax return. So if you don't have that, it's going to slow the process down. It may limit the financeability of your business. So they can go off your financial statements, your tax return, your P&Ls and your balance sheets. But what they really want to see is a tax return. It also solidifies, it locks in the earnings from last year. As much as you want them to believe your numbers, they're going to believe them a lot more if you're reporting them to the IRS. So tip number 1 is get your taxes done as early as possible. Tip number 2 is get your personnel ready. I'm talking to you, business owner. You've got your team, you got your bench of people. You know, there's 1 or 2 on there that has maybe some issues that you haven't addressed. Take this opportunity to clean house a little bit. You know how your business operates best. You know when you have the right people, the right seats, executing on your mission to do your job. It's pretty easy to see when someone's off course and just let it slide, but there's no better time than right now to take action and get the right person in the seat. The bench. I speak about this a lot. How deep is your bench? The more people you have doing the work that requires your company to run, the less dependent it is on you, the happier everybody else is when people are doing their jobs, the better, the more value there is in your business. People buy businesses for A, cash flow, and B, people. These are 2 things you don't have when you start a new business. You've built that. So invest in both of these in order to shore up your business, make it worth more money. The third and final tip I'll share with you today is around processes. There's a good chance a lot of your processes are right here. They're in your head. And if you sell your business, nobody knows how to do that. Hopefully your people do. We just talked about your people running your playbook. You got to have it written down. So a policies and procedures manual to document those processes. You know how it works. Other people do not know how. You don't want to be critical to your business. So that's the 3rd P. If you watch my channel, you watch anything I produce, you hear me talk a lot about the 3 Ps. It's people, profit, and it's processes. The more you can focus on these, higher your value is going to be. There's no better time than early in the year, right now, to get those things done. I hope this was helpful to you. I'm Neal. I am the Raleigh business broker. Shoot me a message. I'm easy to find on LinkedIn. If you have a question specific to your business, value of your business, preparing your business for sale, or you can just comment right here in the comment section about what you want to learn about, questions that you have. Thanks for watching. Until next time, mahalo.